have had several questions about changing the order of courses in Schoology. So I wanted to show you a few tips that we've learned on that. So if we go over to our Schoology home screen here, what we're going to find is obviously our courses, um, and this is the basic course deck, if you will, all the individual rectangles. So what's happened as I have added courses, you see there's 4, 6, 12 um, boxes here. And so I've kind of limited out on that. Looks like there's a max of 12. So the question is, well, how do I reorder that? Well, I know I have some classes that are not visible here. I've got some modular tech classes that have been kind of pushed out of the way. So let me show you how that works. So we're going to go over to My Courses. And when we do that, you're going to see obviously all of the different courses you're either an instructor in or a student. And the way you figure out if you're an instructor or not, instructors have the ability to change settings. So you're going to have this little cog over here. Whereas, for instance, Chase Sandbox, Business Sandbox, I was enrolled as students in those. So I do not have any setting features on that. So I'm going to reorder courses here. That's the button we're looking for. And let me scroll down because this is the order it's in right now. And what you're going to notice right here, courses that appear below this line will not appear in the courses dropdown. And so it's going to actually disappear from that spot. So for instance, let me scroll all the way down, the modular tech, I want to make sure I see that. So I'm going to have it above that line, and then I'm going to scroll mine all the way to the top here. Sometimes it's easier to drop it and then start switching it. So it's, with this many courses, it's a bit of a chore, if you will, but you can continue to do that. And then when I close that out and hit courses, you can see that my modular tech courses are now first, 1 and 2. Then I've got the third one here. Let's say I want to move that above financial algebra. So I'll go back to My Courses, go to reorder. And then I'm going to find that modular tech course. I'm going to click and drag it up, and it'll swap positions with that. Go back to courses, and you can see now I've got it in the order I want. So some people have asked me, well, how do I get rid of, Sandbox and Business Sandbox, some things that I've been enrolled in as a student that I want to get rid of? And the answer is, we haven't found a way. You're going to have to contact that instructor who put you in there, and that administrator, either your teacher leader or whoever, and they can remove that class from you. So those are the basics of how to organize your courses.